welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up to the gentle hum of nature, where every sunrise feels like a fresh start. In today's video, we step into a peaceful tiny farmhouse designed not just for living, but for healing. This isn't just a home, it's a retreat from the noise of modern life. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, stay with us, because what you're about to see might completely change how you think about space, comfort, and simplicity. Set quietly among rolling greenery and open skies, this tiny farmhouse feels like it belongs exactly where it stands. Surrounded by wildflowers, soft grass, and the occasional whisper of wind through the trees, the location itself becomes part of the healing experience. There's no traffic, no rush, just stillness. And just wait until you see how the natural surroundings blend seamlessly with the home's thoughtful design. From the very first glance, the farmhouse radiates warmth and character. With its soft neutral tones, rustic wooden siding, and a welcoming front porch, it instantly feels like home. The design is simple, yet deeply intentional, every detail crafted to suit the senses. But don't be fooled by its modest size, this tiny exterior hides a surprisingly rich and comforting interior you won't expect. Before we even step inside, the front porch invites us to slow down. A pair of wooden chairs, a small table, and perhaps a cup of tea, this is where mornings begin and evenings unwind. It's more than just an entryway, it's a transition space between the world outside and the calm within. And once you step through that door, you'll understand why this home feels so special. As we enter, natural light floods the interior through carefully placed windows, instantly lifting the mood. The living area is compact but open, with soft textures, warm wood tones, and a layout that feels both cozy and breathable. It's designed to reduce stress and invite relaxation. But what truly makes this space magical is how it manages to feel bigger than it actually is. The kitchen may be small, but it's incredibly functional and beautifully styled. Open shelving, natural materials, and just the essentials encourage mindful cooking and intentional living. There's something deeply calming about preparing a meal in a space that isn't cluttered or overwhelming. And wait until you see how this kitchen connects effortlessly with the rest of the home. It's all about flow. Tucked beside a window, the dining area offers more than just a place to eat, it offers a moment of reflection. Imagine enjoying a simple meal while looking out at nature, completely undistracted. The table is modest, the setting minimal, yet the experience feels rich. This is where nourishment goes beyond food, it becomes part of a healing daily ritual. Moving into the sleeping area, the atmosphere shifts into pure tranquility. Soft linens, muted colors, and gentle lighting create a space that encourages deep rest. There's no excess, no distractions, just calm. It's the kind of bedroom that makes you want to unplug, breathe deeply, and truly relax. And there's a clever design element here that makes the most of every inch. Keep watching. One of the most impressive features of this tiny farmhouse is how it handles storage. Hidden compartments, multifunctional furniture, and built-in solutions ensure that everything has its place. The result? A clutter-free environment that feels peaceful and organized. It's proof that small spaces don't have to feel limiting. In fact, they can feel liberating when designed this thoughtfully. Even the bathroom reflects the home's healing philosophy. Clean lines, natural textures, and a simple layout create a spa-like experience in a compact space. A warm shower here feels like a reset, washing away not just the day, but the stress that comes with it. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's one final element that ties the entire home together. What truly sets this farmhouse apart is its seamless connection to the outdoors. Large windows, open views, and easy access to nature blur the line between inside and outside. Whether it's fresh air flowing through the rooms or the sound of birds in the distance, this home constantly reminds you to stay present. And that connection is where true healing begins. As we step back and take in the entire farmhouse, one thing becomes clear: this isn't just a place to live, it's a way to live. It teaches us that peace doesn't come from more space or more things, but from thoughtful design and intentional choices. If this tiny farmhouse inspired you, imagine what simplifying your own space could do for your life. Sometimes, less really is everything.